this is my final of my federal member states visits as part of this tour. I will be traveling to New York shortly to do my first Security Council statement on the 22nd of June. So it is incredibly helpful to hear directly from the presidents of the federal member states to understand their priorities and what they want from the UN. With that in mind, we talked firstly about security, the progress that's been made reclaiming areas, and the really important follow-on around stabilization. And I committed to ensure the UN is fully behind those objectives to secure the area permanently and to come in with basic services to help people to rebuild their lives, rebuild trust with communities. We talked about humanitarian situation remains very challenging here. There are particular issues around some of access to parts of this state, but nevertheless the UN is committed to try and bring life-saving support whilst we also look at longer-term solutions around climate change. And then the President explained to me the role he's been playing in the National Consultative Council and the importance of those deliberations, reaching out to the people in an inclusive consultative process, including hopefully Puntland, so that the country can complete its very important journey on state building, peace building, rebuilding the country for the benefit of all Somalis.